take one arm distance. Breathe in, you can lift your chin up and chest opened up and curve your back. Breathe out, round your back and contract the belly. Breathe in, lift your chin up and chest opened up. And breathe out, you can bring your chin to your chest. You can keep moving your spine in such a way which your spine get mobile, improving the flexibility, and you will release all the tension and the pain will get reduced. Do this for 5 to 10 counts. From cat pose, you can push hips behind and drop your forehead down, elbows down, and stay there. Here you're relaxing your spine. Stay here for 10-15 seconds. Fold your right knee, fold your left knee, heels close to your buttocks. Interlock your fingers. Maintain your spine upright, shoulder relax, chin parallel to the floor, and stay there. Slowly release and relax. Fold your both knees, take your heels close to your buttocks, keep your left ankle outside of the thigh, and then you can take your opposite elbow, fix it and try to catch your knee, another hand behind your back, lengthen your spine, open up your chest and watch behind and stay there. Slowly can release the position and relax. Place your both the palms under your buttocks. Take the elbow support, lift your shoulder blade up, turn your neck and rest the top part of the head on the ground. Release the hands, you can place the palms on your thigh and feel the curve, feel the opening of the chest. Similarly, take the support of the hands and relax. Come close to the wall. Stick your heels, calf and hamstring and butt close to the wall, hands away from your body, and just be here. And you're releasing all the tension, all the pain from your body. Breathe in and breathe out.